Snap has signed a music licensing deal with SONY Music Entertainment. The partnership means Snapchat users will have access to songs from SONY artists. With today's announcement, the company has licensing deals with all the major music labels. And Snap plans to take advantage of the milestone by launching new AR music filters sometime soon. The company says it will release a set that will feature pre-selected songs embedded in the filter. Additionally, there'll be ones that allow you to make it look like you're singing along to a song, and yet another set that adds you and a friend to an animated music video. In short, Snapchat is becoming more like TikTok and Instagram. You don't have to look far to find out why Snap is doing this. Since launching the Sounds feature last year, the company notes its users have created more than 1.2 billion videos and leading to nearly 77 billion views. In other words, music has been great for Snapchat's engagement metrics.